everyone, welcome to Mona Patil Tutorials. Today I am going to tell you best tips and tricks to remember the brief answers. Student, if till now you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press on the bell icon for further notification. So let's start. There are two types of brief answers. They are point based and other is paragraph based. So first we will learn about how to remember point based answers. If you understand the point based answers, then it will be easier to understand the paragraph based answer. So watch the complete video carefully. So steps to remember point based answer. Just simply read the particular question and answers. After some time, again read the same answer carefully. Tick those points of that answer which you have completely understood. After doing this, you will get three type of points. They are first completely understood points, then confused points, and third one points completely not understood. So, steps to remember completely understood point. Read those points aloud as if you are explaining yourself. Second, remember keywords. Steps to remember confused points. First, try to find the meaning of the important words of the point with the help of Google or dictionary. Second, and write those meaning beside that particular word in the answer. Step to remember the point which are not understood. Make a mnemonics. Try to remember keywords and frame your own sentence. Here, the example is given for you. Before that, let me understand what is meant by mnemonics. Mnemonics means identifying the first letter of each word and making easier sentence which will quickly be remembered to you. For example, I had made a mnemonics of cell organelles. You have so you can see here the diagram. The labeling of diagram is cytoplasmic membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, Golgi, cytoplasm, mitochondrion and chloroplast. So this all the letter which has shown in blue color. Here the mnemonics are made for you. Like C for Charlie, E for enters, R for Roberts, N for nice, next N for nobody, notice, and here G means Golgi, grandma, then C cytoplasm came, A mitochondrion, meat, and C chloroplast Charlie. Now you make the sentence like Charlie entered Robert's nice house, but nobody noticed him. But his grandma came to meet Charlie's. So this sentence will never forget by you and it helps you to understand the whole answers. Okay. Then next most important thing, revision. You have to revise the answer at least 3 times so you will never forget it and it can be remembered for long period to you. Steps to remember paragraph based answer. Convert the paragraph into points and follow the steps of point based answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, then press on the like button and share this video with your friends. Tell me in the comment box if you have any suggestion or problem. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.